Are you applying coffee and Vaseline for hair growth the wrong way? You might be, and it's stopping your results. In this video, I will show you the right method to mix and apply them for faster hair growth, thicker edges, and stop breakage. Welcome back to the channel, my beautiful family. I love sharing natural remedies that actually work. And today I am correcting a big mistake many people make with coffee and Vaseline for hair growth. So let me show you the right way. The first mistake is applying Vaseline and coffee without mixing properly. This can clog your scalp instead of helping growth. The second mistake is applying it to dirty hair. Your scalp must be clean to absorb the benefits. The last mistake, using the wrong quantity, which can cause buildup and dryness. So now let me show you the right way to do it. First thing is a coffee. Use any brand of coffee of your choice, but make sure that the coffee you are using contain caffeine on it, because the caffeine in the coffee is what help coffee to grow our hair. So if your coffee do not contain caffeine on it, it will not grow your hair. Next, I bring a bowl and open my coffee to scoop out 2 to 3 tablespoons of a coffee. Depend on the quantity you are making for. It can go higher, it can go lesser, okay? So, but next important thing in this recipe, make sure your coffee is in a very smooth powder form. Like mine is not in a smooth powder form. So what I will do now, I will use something to crush it to turn it into a very powder form. So if yours is the same like mine, please turn it into a powder form. You can use your coffee blender if you have, or you can use something to turn it into a powder form, okay? It's very important in this recipe. After turning my coffee into a powder form, you see how smooth and how powder this coffee is. This is what we'll be working on. Please do not use coffee that is on seed. You will not get the good results, okay? Do you see how smooth and how powder this coffee is? This is the perfect coffee we need for this recipe for that good results. Next is my blue sea Vaseline. I'll be making use of original blue sea Vaseline, and please make sure that you use blue sea Vaseline, okay, for best results. And while buying your Vaseline, make sure you check the expiring date on the bottom of the blue sea Vaseline, okay, so that you not buy expiring products, okay. Next is to bring my bowl that contain my coffee powder, and I'm scooping out 3 tablespoons of blue sea Vaseline into my bowl that contain my coffee powder. You can use higher, you can use lesser, depend on you, depend on the quantity you want to make, okay? There's no particular measurements in this recipe, okay? So after scooping out my 3 tablespoons of my coffee, so the next thing now is to mix it, okay? There's no heat process in this recipe, okay? There's no double boiling process in this recipe. This is the right way to use coffee and blue sea Vaseline to grow your hair like crazy, thicken up your hair, stop hair breakage, and regrow your edges faster. Yes, this method works so amazing. There's no heat required in this process, meaning all the benefits of this coffee and all the benefits of this Vaseline, they are in tight, okay? But there's something you need to do for you to get that good results, is mixing process. You need to properly mix this very well so that they can mix up properly and give you that good results. If this mixture you not mix them properly, they will not give you that good result. So this require you some patience, okay? While mixing it, you need a spoon that is very strong so that it will give you that smooth mixture, okay, so that it can help you to mix this recipe properly. Please, the technique is to mix it well. If you don't mix it well, you will not get that good result. So once this have mixed up very well, we move to the next step. After mixing it properly, next thing I will do now is to bring my oil. Okay, use any oil of your choice, any of your hair growth oil of your choice. This oil will help this to lighten up. Okay, as you can see now, it's very thick, and this oil also will help this to also increase the moisture on this product. Okay, so add any oil of your choice. After adding 2 tablespoons of oil, I bring my essential oils, okay, to take this to next level. But please, if you don't have any essential oil, skip it, just add oil and it's okay. Okay, so I use 3 different type of my essential oil, make it into 1 tablespoon, which means total oil I add on this recipe is 3 tablespoons of oil. So I will still continue to mix them properly, very well, to make sure that it have mixed properly before we move to the next step. Next is to transfer into this my container so that it can be safe. And any container you are using to store yours, make sure that it's free of moisture. Okay, it's very important. So after transferring it into my container, this is what I have so far. This recipe is the best. This is the best way to use Vaseline and coffee for that crazy faster hair growth. This is the proper way to mix Vaseline and coffee to get crazy powerful effective result in a very short period of time. Do you see how rich, do you see how potent and how effective these products look? This will actually solve those your hair problem and give you that thicker, longer hair you desire. So now let me show you the proper way on how to use this recipe to get those good benefits with these products. So this is how my hair is, whether your hair is protected hairstyle or not protected hairstyle, but you can only apply these products in a protected hairstyle that you have access to your strand of hair and also your scalp. Okay, so if your hair is not in protected hairstyle, so you can also use these products. This is another mistake a lot of people do while using this product, why they are not seeing results. They are applying it on a dry hair. So if you always apply your Vaseline and coffee on a dry hair, that is one of the reasons why you are not seeing results. So please stop it now and make sure that you damp your hair first before you can apply this product on your hair, so that you can get that good results. So while applying this, do not apply too much of it, because a little go a long way. Okay, just use amount that you know that will be okay for your hair. Give your hair so moisturized without you building up with this product on your hair. So don't use too much of it, and also do not use lesser of it. Okay, just use the one that you know that will be okay. Just bear in mind that a little goes a long way. That amount I use now will be very okay for half of my hair. Okay, these are the benefits to be gotten in using these 2 products in a right way on your hair. Vaseline helps see in moisture, fight dryness and protect your scalp, while coffee stimulates the hair follicles, encourage thicker, healthy hair. Using this the right ways helps with thinning edges, breakage and slow hair growth. These 2 products, guys, you don't need to joke with them. Using them in a right way, you will never ever regret it. Okay, once you apply this product on your hair, make sure that you work it in properly. As you can see, this the way I'm doing it on my hair, I'm making sure that I work it in properly so that it can penetrate inside my hair tract very well. So whether your hair is protected hairstyle or not protected hairstyle, this step is very important. Take your time and make sure that you work it in very well. As you can see, this the way I'm doing on my own hair, that is the way you can use this in a right way, so that you can see that good results. Working it in properly will help this product to penetrate on your hair very well. But if you do not work it in properly, to just sit on top of your hair, the inside of your hair will not get the good benefit of this product, and that is not what we are looking for. Okay, so this is the right way to apply this product on your hair. How many times can you apply this product on your hair to see good results? You can use this product 2 to 3 times in a week, depending on how long moisture lasts on your hair. So this is the moisture sealant. Okay, okay? Whenever you know your hair is getting dry, apply this product, okay? And focus on that your problem area. If you have problem area like your edges, you want to regrow your edges, or your edges is thinning, you want to thicken it up, you can apply it every day in that your problem area. But if you don't have any problem area, you can as well apply this product 2 to 3 times in a week. If your problem is slow hair growth, whenever I want to use this product, I will advise you to prepare coffee tea spray or rosemary tea spray. Spray it on your hair. After then, collect this product, apply it on your hair, and take a little amount, the same way you saw me take a little amount of it, apply on my scalp. That's how you use this product. And believe me, in a very short period of time, your hair will never remain the same. You'll be very glad that you use this product. So this is the right way to use these 2 products to get good results. And if you have tried before, let me know in comment section below. If you have not tried it, please try it and also come back and tell us your results, okay? So guys, if you are not subscribed up to this point, please do wait to click on that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notification bell to all, so that YouTube will notify you whenever I upload amazing videos like this. And also, please, if you have not liked this video and enjoy watching this video, please do wait to help me click on that like button. It really encourages me a lot, and also help the growth of the channel. Lastly, share this video to your family and friends so that they'll get the good news on proper way to use Coffee and Vaseline to grow their hair, to solve their hair problems, okay? I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.